earphone. Here's the cigarette lighter adapter. And what I really need the most, the adapter. Made in Japan, so it probably still works. This connector right here by RMS Electronics Inc. Still in business today, doing hookups and stuff and wireless things. So that's the earphone jack. Cool. And this goes here. That goes to the cable, to your RF modulator, cable box. So I'll hook this up. We'll get the tripod. Okay, here we go. Let her warm up. And there she is. Okay, let's see if we can get a radio station. I think the VHF thing could pick up some stations. That might be something. Looks pretty good. That's something for sure. That's freaky. What the hell? Oh, there we go. The brightness and the contrast are cranked, which, you know, isn't a good thing unless they're like really unhappy how it looked. Ooh, that's surprisingly sharp. The numbers right there. Wow. Contrast, bright, and vertical hold.
A more human way to healthcare.
No.
Where's the damn remote?
I'll give him the message. That all? No.
Is that all? No. Yes. Because it paused.
He came over to my house once before.
Okay, now the brightness is working. Oh, she's nice and bright. That looks good. Wow.
We do have these in medium and wide width.
I have another one of these in storage, but it's from the 90s. I don't know what brand it is either.
Yes, ma'am.
Any kind.
Oh, fuck off. Not political here at all anymore.
Over here? Oh, no.
Listen, we've got two problems.
Rob, not your fault.
You don't understand. Prince changed my life. What would Prince do?
Boy, those were the days.
Gordon Week there, the elected public defender for Broward County.
This is still a serious subject, Dennis. In fact, I'd like an essay from each of you on the subject by Monday, all right?
Oh, I'll give you an essay on poverty, and it won't be from a library.
Get the RF modulator out.
Serious history points.
Yeah, I might stop by.
Sure, whatever. Just leave me alone. There's our rodent friend. Looks really good in person. Besides the noise. It's a tiny bit smoothened out by the camera. Looks good. That looks good. Wow. Let's turn that down. Sounds distorted no matter what. Maybe I should make my videos of GT2 on here in black and white. Just because it looks a little better. If you can't tell, it's red. Is your new car. Yeah, you're right. No, it doesn't actually sound like a chopper. Speaker's fine as long as it's not up all the way, making this sound. When's the last time you saw one of these? Avenger ES? picture looks really good on here, even though I said it 1,000 times already. Now the one I have in storage is color. It's from 90 something. And that's all for now.